So hello friend, it's me Akash Saxena and you are watching the English journey from here on this channel. So I am Akash Saxena and I am from Uttar Pradesh. So currently I am learning English speaking with the practicing of here. Okay, now I am in front of the camera and I am trying to speak. Okay, now I am outside from my room. Okay, so this is the rented house and we are outside. So here are some childrens are covering me. Okay, because he also want to speak English, and when I speak in English, then he comes and just listen to me. Okay, so I will ask and I will just speak. I will talk something in English to the students. Students, don't talk. Just listen to me carefully. Okay. So Miss, sit down. Sit down while standing. So now we will discuss in English everything. Okay. So what are you doing here? What are you doing here right now? क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पर? So listen. In the beginning, I just trying to speak and improving my English, and there are some students, many students, and he just speaking in English. Okay. So Rudra, what is your name? I also said your name. In which class? In which class do you read? Do you LKG class. He understanding the English, but he can't speak English. Okay. So in India here many peoples they can easily understand English but can't speak. When they try speak, then he get stuck. Okay. You can understand the English. Okay, but you can't speak. It am I right? Okay, so it's a basic normal problem for every Indians. Okay, so just you have to try to speak. Just you have to try to speak in English all the time. Okay, now I am in my street and I am just trying to speak in English. Okay, you can also speak in English, and when you will try, so you can easily. So listen to me carefully. English is not a subject; it's a language. Just I am giving you example. Just like a foreigner wants to learn Hindi, so he will stuck and he will scary about Hindi language. Just like us, we are speaking and we are learning English, so we have some learning issues. Okay, we don't have no too much vocabularies. Okay, so that's why English become something hard. Okay, but English is not permanently hard when we speak daily by daily and trying to speak gradually. So learning things gradually, something, so we can comes in comfort, and our tongue and mind comes in the comfort and practicing. Okay, so you can easily learn of this way. So here are many children are discussing and talking with each other. Okay, and I am just speaking and he just listening to me. Hey, you are understanding what I'm saying? You are understanding? You want to say anything? Rudra, in English, talk in English with me. Do you know? He can't understand English and he can't speak because he's very small child. Okay, so he can understand English after some time when he will practice. Okay, so you have to just do things listening, reading, watching, and practicing. When you will daily practice, so you can easily learn. Otherwise, you will sticking. Okay, so the main thing is that practice. When you will practice daily by daily, so you can easily speak in English. Just you have to open your camera and speak anything in English. Okay, so I hope you can understand. So we will meet the next video. So bye bye, take care.